Hello, it's me, Amy of 3D Lash and Brow, and today is Tip Tuesday. This is actually inspired by Tiana of the Lash Exchange, and she recently did a poll asking other lash artists what their thoughts are on using Groupon. And I wanted to give my perspective. First off, 3D Lash and Brow was helped a lot by Groupon. Some of my highest paying long-term clients that I have today, 4 to 5 years later, came from Groupon. So I'm super grateful that I was introduced to it. And I wanted to kind of share some tips on how it could work for you if you decide to use Groupon, and some ways that you can make it grow your business. Number one is that not every person who's on Groupon is looking for a one-time special. Sometimes they're just really looking for their lash home. So this is your opportunity to show your professionalism and your skill and convert them. And what I mean by convert them is, okay, they come in for a classic full set, and now you can say, if they fall in love with your work, they can say, hey, I can do a 3D volume for you next time, or I do bottom lashes, or I do brows, okay? A lot of my clients that came from Groupon, once they got their lashes done, then they did microblading, or they did eyebrows, tinting, or threading, or any other service that I offered, teeth whitening. They would then convert to that, okay? So keep an open mind when you have these clients come in. Treat every Groupon client as if they are a full price client, because eventually they can become that. And also set some boundaries. Okay. So in the beginning, when you come and you talk about your policies to your client, let them know that, hey, this is a one-time thing. I only accept Groupon for new clients the first time you come. Now, if Sally tries to come in every month with that same voucher, you're gonna be like, no, I'm not accepting this. And you have the right and the option to do that as long as you put that in your policies and you say that up front, period. Another tip is, some of your clients are hip to the game, okay? Meaning they now know that Groupon takes a portion of your money. So they'll even sometimes call you and say, hey, I saw you were on Groupon for a classic full set, and I wanted to know if you'd rather me purchase this Groupon online or pay you directly. Of course, if they pay you directly, then you're gonna get a portion more than if they had bought it online through Groupon. So keep that in mind when you are using these vouchers, that not every client is a one-time thing, okay? This is your opportunity to shine. Not only that, if they don't keep coming to you, guess what? That's a before and after photo that you post. If you don't have any clients on your books, whose photos are you gonna be posting all the time, okay? Also, for me, I did have an employee, so having Groupon helped to make sure that her books were full too, and that she was eventually able to get her repeat clientele as well. Side note, Katie's not here anymore. She's in Denison, so I'll put her link so you can message her. She was awesome. But I just wanted to share my thoughts on Groupon and how you can grow your business from it. Now, obviously, once you've got your books filled and you're content and you don't want to do any more discounts or anything like that, then obviously, yes, stop using Groupon. But if you're fresh out the gate and you are posting 8 million hashtags and you're letting all your friends know and you're still a little bit slow, Groupon is a good way that could help you